Rachel from the YouTube channel Simply Duct Designs. So the first craft I ever learned how to make was a duct tape wallet, and I've learned to make several different kinds now, but today we're going to be making a new one which is called the L wallet. So let's get into it. So the tools you will need for this project are a cutting mat, a L-shaped template, some duct tape, a craft knife, some ID plastic, some scissors, and a ruler. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is make a duct tape fabric. So I'm going to take a pre-cut strip right here, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6.5 inches long, and we're just going to continue to build this up. And I'm just overlapping this one piece onto the other, like so. Just going to continue that the whole way up. And now I'm going to take my L template right here, and I'm going to take my ruler and my knife, and I'm just going to cut this down to be the same shape as my template. Okay, so now you should have a shape like this, and peel this piece upward very carefully, just like that. And now I'm going to get my pattern duct tape, and I'm going to cover the sides, but I'm going to leave about 1/2 inch sticky on each side, just like that. And then I already have some pre-cut right here, so I'm just going to add those on, just like that. And then you want to flip this part over. And if you have any sticky that is too large, you can just cut that down to another 1/2 inch. But it's okay if the measurements aren't exact, they just have to be able to connect your other pieces together in the end. And now what you want to do is you just want to cut a box here in the corner. This will help you connect our next piece in a minute. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my little ID plastic here, and then I'm going to take our accent color, and I'm just going to cover the top of this, and then I'm just going to cut a little bit of that off and fold that onto the back. Snip off that excess. Over here I have my duct tape fabric. This is going to be our hidden pocket, and this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4 inches tall, and it's going to be 3 inches wide. So I'm just going to place that here. You want to make that now, and I'm just going to place that right on here. And I'm going to bring this ID here. I'm going to cut out a strip that is the length of our hidden, like so. You can just use this for reference if you want to. Personally, that's what I always do. And you can cut it in half if you would like. And then I'm just going to place it right here. I'm going to place this piece of tape so it's half on and half off. Just connecting the ID, and then I'm just going to fold that onto the back. It'll give us a nice rounded edge. And then I'm going to place it right here, and you're just going to fold this part onto it. Okay, just like that. And you can actually take this piece if you want to, and you can place that right in here to cover up the sticky. You can also use this in your accent color if you want. It's really up to you. And then I'm going to cut a slit right here and just use that to seal up the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to make this little duct tape fabric. This is going to be our billfold. It should just look something like this. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that there's 1/4 of an inch sticky at the top. So I'm going to fold that over. Then this piece should be about 3 inches tall. So I'm just going to take that over here, place that right into our wallet piece, and now we can just set this off to the side, and we're going to start working on our card pockets. So I'm just gonna cut a piece of duct tape that is 3 3/4 inches long. So 1, 2, 3, and then 3/4. And then I'm just gonna fold that down 1 and about a little over 1/4 inches tall. And I'm just gonna cover that. And then an important thing about this is at the bottom you will have this sticky, and you can actually use this to attach your card pocket to your wallet. Place that on the card pocket, just like that. Then you just want to line it up. So now you're going to need to make 3 more of these pockets, and I have them right here. Place that right across from our previous card pocket. And I'm just going to do the same thing to these. Just place that down, just like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is 3.5 inches long. I'm just going to place that right in the middle here, just like that. And you can lift this up a little bit from your L shape. Just smooth that down. So I'm just going to cut a strip the length of your billfold. I'm just going to cut that in half. Then I'm just going to cut boxes right here. Okay. I'm just going to fold this up. And I'm going to take another strip down here. And we're going to fold that upward. And we're just going to cover the sticky that's showing in here. Now we're just going to attach the sides. So I'm just going to cut here at the top of the billfold. Fold that over. Cut here. And fold that over. And then I'm just going to fold this into the inside of the pouch. Okay, so I'm just going to take this piece in here, just going to fold that inward. I'm going to take this piece and just fold that inward, and you should be done. So just like that, you have a new twist on an old classic. I personally love this wallet because it has so much more space than your typical bifold. So what I want you guys to do is comment down below what the first craft was that you ever made. So thanks for watching. Check out the previous Duct brand craft video and click the button on the screen to subscribe to the Duct brand YouTube channel.